Hello, beautiful moon. At this time, want to ask forgiveness because I feel that made you feel sad about my new state. I know my pregnancy is a blessing from God, and so I am extremely happy. However, sorry to cause you this sadness because they want to see me first professional. Mm, Bottom Mario in the background, you're glad they're going to be a grandmother. I ask you to forgive me. I want to I want to tell you you were best mom in the world and also know that I will be an excellent mother. My baby will very love to hug you. And promise all pick a role model and my baby will feel proud of us. I love you, Mom. Merry Christmas.